Alright guys, as you guys know, a few decades ago I made a video queue down through the Arsenal video. So yeah, today's video is gonna be simple. It's about a fireworks all these years when I recorded on my phone. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Sorry I couldn't make a gaming video about Roblox about that. So yeah, I hope you enjoy these fireworks videos. So yeah, and enjoy them all. So hope you like and subscribe to this video if I can show you a lot of fireworks. So
Ha det mitt telefon.
Srećna Nova godina.
Odlazi isto.
Ali malo.
a
Catch me riding dirty. Tryna catch me riding dirty. Tryna catch me riding dirty. I've been drinking and smoking, holy shit, cause I really can't focus. I gotta get it home with a popo scope, this big old scourge just swerving. All up in the curb, man, nigga been sipping on the heat, singing the gin again, the sin again. We in the wind, doing 100 while I puff on the...
Oh. Oh, fint. Adi, Metallica koncert odmah, aha, sjećaš? Ovo je čuč. Aj. Vina, Adi? Pucaj veliki. Sad se stavio. Oh, wow. Snimio to svaka čast.
I opet pauza.
I hope you enjoyed the video from our fireworks video. Yeah, make sure to hit this like button and subscribe to the channel. I mean my main channel, my second channel, links in the description down below. And have a great night and see you guys tomorrow. Probably do more Roblox videos. See you guys, bye bye.
Wonder about the 6 pounds that I got here, Glock shots to the block, we creak, pop, whole cops don't see me on the low key. With no regard for the law, we dodge them like fuck them all. But I won't get caught up and brought up.